The law of attraction is a powerful philosophy that suggests our thoughts determine our reality. According to this concept, by focusing on our desires and maintaining a positive mindset, we can manifest them into reality. This idea has been around for centuries and can be found in various religions and spiritual practices. In the early 2000s, the book The Secret brought the law of attraction into the mainstream. However, manifestation coach Maria Concha explains that the concept could date back even further, with the belief that Buddha introduced the law of attraction by stating that all that we are is a result of what we have thought. It is a central theme in many religions and spiritual practices worldwide. Concha emphasizes that our current reality is a result of the thoughts and emotions we have planted in the past. Therefore, to manifest our desires, it is important to not only say affirmations, but also take bold action and fully embrace the principles of the law of attraction. It requires unwavering faith and conviction. Eric Butterworth, a figure in the New Thought movement, believed in our power to co-create our own universe through our thoughts and consciousness. He perceived God not as an external entity, but as a creative force that exists within us and all around us. Understanding this truth empowers us to harness the law of attraction and transform our reality. The law of attraction teaches us the power of words and the importance of choosing specific words imbued with unwavering conviction. It is about attunement, realizing the power within ourselves to attract abundance, including wealth and success. By focusing our thoughts and deeds on what we want rather than what we don't want, we can move forward in life with hope and unlock our true potential. So, friends, manifesting our desires and attracting all that we want requires understanding and applying the principles of the law of attraction. It is not just about wishing for things to happen. It is about aligning our thoughts, beliefs, and actions with our desires. When we do this, we have the ability to transform our life and manifest our destiny. The wealth effect refers to the changes in consumer spending and saving patterns that occur as a result of changes in wealth. When individuals feel wealthier, whether through rising asset prices, income growth, or other means, they tend to spend more and save less. The wealth effect is not just a matter of financial numbers, it is deeply rooted in the psychological aspect of feeling more confident and optimistic about one's financial situation. When individuals experience an increase in wealth, they often feel a direct connection to immense possibilities and boundless potential. This shift in mindset can have a significant impact on economic growth, financial stability, and overall well-being. One effective way to explain the principles of the law of attraction is through the use of powerful stories or examples. For instance, consider the story of a determined young individual seeking wisdom from a revered monk. The monk leads the individual to a calm stream and briefly submerges their head underwater. While initially confused and upset, the young person realizes that wisdom is like an unending thirst for knowledge, constantly seeking growth and new insights. The law of attraction also extends to the realm of prosperity. Just as poverty is a particular way of thinking and living, so is prosperity. These two paths are determined by mindset and can be achieved through the law of attraction. It is important to understand that the separation between poverty and prosperity is merely a trick of the mind. The law of attraction is a belief that different types of thoughts attract different experiences in a person's life. It is based on the idea that individuals and their thoughts are made of pure energy. Positive thoughts are believed to bring positive experiences, while negative thoughts attract negative experiences. This concept has its roots in the New Thought movement, a spiritual movement that originated in the United States in the 19th century. It is even said that Buddha taught the attraction many centuries ago, emphasizing the idea that what you have become is what you have thought. The law of attraction suggests that our thoughts and intentions shape our world, and that everything in our lives is interconnected. This means that our financial challenges can mirror the state of our inner world and serve as a reflection of our inner consciousness. When we feel overwhelmed or sense that something isn't quite right, it may be because we are out of sync with the divine flow. To overcome these negative emotions and align ourselves with positive energy, we can embrace abundance and repeat the transformative words I accept, I deserve, I allow. By focusing on prosperity and abundance, we connect with positive energy and open ourselves up to the abundance that the universe wants to give us. This abundance is not just a dream, but something that is coming closer every day. Being ready to accept and guide financial abundance when it arrives is an important step on the path to personal growth and change. In his book, The Power Within You, Eric Butterworth explores the central theme of the attraction and its power to transform our lives. Unlike any other book on wealth creation and personal growth, Butterworth delves into the power of words and the importance of attunement with the abundance that surrounds us. Gratitude also plays a significant role in manifesting abundance. Being thankful for what you already have sends out a powerful signal to the universe that you are open and receptive to receiving more. By appreciating the blessings in your life, you create a positive energy that attracts even more abundance. It's important to recognize that everything in the universe, including money and wealth, is constructed from the divine substance of God. By acknowledging the presence of this divine substance and welcoming it into your life, you can draw more abundance to you. As we come to the end of our deep dive into the law of attraction and its power to unlock wealth, it is clear that the words we speak and the thoughts we hold have a profound impact on our reality. By harnessing the principles of the attraction and understanding the connection between our thoughts, energy, and manifestation, we have the ability to create a life of abundance and prosperity. It is important to remember that this journey is not a quick fix or a magic pill, but rather a lifelong practice of aligning our thoughts and intentions with our desires. If you found this video valuable, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Share with us your manifestation journey, your successes, and your challenges. Together, we can support and inspire one another to reach new heights. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing, and keep embracing the infinite possibilities that lie within you.